How to find coordinates on Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find coordinates on Google Maps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for the first step, if you don't have the Google Maps app, you can get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you get it, you can open it up. If you already had the Google Maps app, make sure that you have updated it to its latest version. Now open up your Google Maps, and after you open it up, what you'll need to do is head over to any location. After you head over to any location, just drop a pin there. After you drop a pin anywhere that you want, what you'll then have to do is swipe up. After you swipe up, under overview, you'll find the coordinates. Now you can copy the coordinates as well. As you can see, coordinates copied to the clipboard, and now you can use the coordinates as you'd like. And that's basically how you find coordinates on Google Maps, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.